How you all doing?
Oh.
All right. Well, we are your 82nd Airborne Division's All-American Corps, and we hail right out of the great Fort Bragg, North Carolina, which is home of the Airborne, and the 82nd Airborne Division is America's Guard of Honor. On behalf of our commanding general, Major General John Nicholson Jr., and our Command Sergeant Major LaMarquise Knowles, and on behalf of the 22,000 plus highly motivated, highly dedicated paratroopers, I would like to say what an honor and a privilege it is to be here to sing for you all this afternoon. But before we begin, there's one thing that I would like for you all to keep in mind, that the soldiers you see standing behind me are not just talented singers, but they are first and foremost highly skilled, highly disciplined paratroopers representing most of the major units that we have in our division today. We have soldiers from the infantry, artillery, service and support, and aviation.
Above the band!
Yeah.
For our first selection, we'd like to dedicate this song to all of you lovely ladies in today's audience. Made famous by the Temptations, this is My Girl.
That's a good song.
I guess they like it. I don't want to stand up there.
I've got so much honey bees in me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talk about my girls, my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame, 'cause I got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, oh, I'm talking about my girl.
Yeah.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day with my girl, my girl. Even if I'm ugly, baby, my girl. Talking about my girl with my